Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. My name is Dave and today we will learn how you can create a new document in Adobe Illustrator. For the past 8 plus years I have been designing different kind of stuff for many clients on Fiverr, Upwork, and I thought I should teach the latest stuff on Adobe Illustrator. So my expertise are in logo designing, branding, brochures and many other things like Photoshop editing. I will be creating complete classes of Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop and onward many other softwares like website development, WordPress and so on. So in this video today we will learn how you can create a new document in Adobe Illustrator. So first of all you need to go to file menu and click on new. This is a dialog box you can see here. Here you can give title of your document. For example, I am giving here Adobe Illustrator class 1. So here you can give your custom dimensions like 1280 by 720 or any other dimension if you want. Artboard. What is artboard? Artboard is like whiteboard. For example, if you need 2 whiteboards, then you will set here 2 artboards, or if you need 1 artboard, then you will set here 1 artboard. And after that, what is bleed? Bleed is extra margin and it is needed while printing. For example, if you are going to print a 3.5 by 2 inches business card, so you will need an extra 0.125 bleed so that your extra area will be cut and your actual business card will remain safe. So bleed is that kind of stuff. And here we will see advanced options. By the way, I am using Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. You can use any of the version of Adobe Illustrator. Color mode CMYK and RGB. What is CMYK and RGB? If you are going to design a document that need to be printed, then you need to choose CMYK color. And if you are going to design any stuff that will not be printed and will be used on social media or any website, then you need to click on RGB. It will give a error. Why it is appearing here? You just need to go to web and you can click on any of the presets. By the way, what is preset? Preset is by default sizes which you can select here. For example, I am clicking on web. So I will create a document. For example, I will create on web. Okay. And I will choose now RGB. Now you can see here no error. If you click on CMYK, then again it will appear here. So if you choose web, then choose RGB, and if you choose print, then you need to choose CMYK. By the way, it automatically sets here. Okay, let's back to the sizes. 1280 by 720, and here you can see units. What is unit? If you need to create a banner in feet, so you will divide that feet into inches. Let's suppose 5 feet, and you will divide that 5 feet divided by 12. So just go to pixels and your document will be created in pixels. Then if you need to create a CMYK color, then you need to choose 300 ppi to be getting a high quality results. And if you need a RGB document, then you need to choose 72 ppi. And if you click on more settings, a dialog box will be appeared. This dialog box related to 2015 versions. Like if you have a 2015 version, then you will see that kind of dialog box. I am closing here and giving this document a name. Let's suppose I am giving Adobe Illustrator class 1 and create. This white area is called artboard. If you are going to use Adobe Illustrator frequently, then you need to call it artboard. This is a professional way of calling it, and this is the basic UI of Adobe Illustrator. When you landing on the Adobe Illustrator, then you will see the UI of Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, I will guide you on upper side. This is called menu. Like if you click on any of the button and a menu will appear, like I am clicking on file and a menu is appearing here, and if I am clicking on edit, and you can see its menu here. On left hand side, this is called toolbar. With the help of these toolbars, you can create any of the document like business card, logo, flyer, brochures and much more. On right hand side, this is called panel. Like you can see here, swatches panel, layer panel and much more. So in next class, I will be talking about tools, and we will create amazing stuff side by side, so you can learn a lot from this channel. Thank you so much. Take care.